Are the birds teasing you? I hear them. Where's the birds? They teasing you? She knows she's not allowed outside the backyard, so she'll run right to the edge, but she knows she's not allowed to run past there. Where'd the birds go? See, same with over there. She's not allowed off the concrete pad, so she'll stop right there. And the birds know that because they walk right across that grass patch there. And they know she's not allowed past there, so they walk right in front of her. Where's the birds? Are they up in the tree? Are they leaving you alone now? Thought I saw it in the tree earlier. I don't know. No more birds? They're all gone? They keep you entertained at least, right? Yeah, they keep you busy. Keep sniffing. Keep sniffing. Oh, here comes the sun. Ooh, it's warm.